Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIVS home school. This is Sonia and Joya, assistant teacher of National Ideal Nursery School, Morning Shift, Dhaka. Today I am going to take an English class for the student of class nursery student. And our today's topic, capital letters I to P. Look at the board, my dear students. This is class nursery, subject English, topic capital letters I to P. Your lecture number 2 and your homework number 2. Term half yearly 2022 and your teacher name Sonia Joya, and this is my mobile number and this is today's date. So my dear students, let's start our today's topic. Look at the board, my dear students. This is capital letter I to P. When we start our capital letter, we use two lines. We use first two line. Okay, we use first two line. This is our capital letter writing. Okay, so we use first two lines. So our first letter is I. We use first two lines. This is I. Okay, I, Z. We use first two line I, Z, then K, I, Z, K, L. When we start our capital letters, we will use first two lines, and I, Z, K, L. Next M. M, then N, N, O, then P. So this is our today's topic, capital letters I to P. I, Z, K, L, M, N, O, P. Again I am saying I, Z, K, L, M, N, O, P. You have to write I in this way, I, then Z, then K, L, M. You have to write M that way in the middle line of the M, touch from this second line. Okay, from this second, in this second line, M, N, O, P. Again I am saying I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. My dear students, again I am saying our today's topic, capital letters I to P. You have to follow these capital letters and in this way, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. And my dear students, your homework number 2 and your homework is same capital letters I to P. Your homework will be same capital letters I to P. This is your homework, and my dear students, you will do your homework I to P only one time. Only one time you will do your homework. I, Z, K, L, M, N, O, P. You will do your homework only one time, and all of you girls, you submit your homework on next Saturday. So my dear students, this is our today's topic. See you again, inshallah.